Are you looking for a Chapel Hill home in a neighborhood with its own beach? If so, you're going to want to check out this video, folks. The Lake Forest neighborhood is one of Chapel Hill's premier neighborhoods, and it surrounds Eastwood Lake, which in itself is surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes. So when a home comes on the market in Lake Forest, it's an event. Especially this home at 1813 Rolling Road, which is a custom-built contemporary home over 4,200 square feet with a basement. Let's check it out, folks. I love this upgraded kitchen. These countertops with this gorgeous piece of stone here. Check out the pattern. The two-drawer wine fridge, and the wine does convey with the house. These amazing hardwoods all through the main level here. Two fireplaces, one in the living room and one here in the family room. We have a very secluded and private backyard, and the home is walking distance to both Whole Foods and the neighborhood beach, which is managed by the voluntary HOA here in the neighborhood. I love this fireplace and the multi-levels in the backyard. Listen, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team is ready to help you. Let us know when you'd like to see 1813 Rolling in Chapel Hill. Thank you for your time.